Bonjour! Welcome to Living Languages with Karine. Today I would like to share with you some ideas on how to encourage language learning in your children. I created an activity sheet to accompany my ABC video. These activities are very simple, entertaining. They support language acquisition, but require no prior knowledge of French for the teacher or the parent. Let's go! To create my silly ABC video, I used a set of flashcards by the Édition Coup d'œil, but any set of flashcards would do. You could easily find one online, I'm sure. You can download a PDF of this activity sheet at livinglanguages.biz. Click on the Silly ABC link page and you will find the activity sheet just below the video. The page is divided into 3 blue columns, each one representing a different activity. So you do have 3 sets of activities to complete with your child or with your class. The title of the first activity is My ABC and Yours, and start by asking some simple questions to your child. Explain how the alphabet is the foundation of our language, and ask her if she already knows her alphabet in her own language. Then just find some similarities, some letters that may sound or look alike in both languages. The pedagogical intention for this activity is simply to develop the ear of your child to the basic sounds of the French language. Just invite your child to compare how this new language sounds compared to her own. What sounds different, what sounds strange, what sounds funny, and what sounds maybe a little bit similar. To dig a little deeper in this exploration of the French ABC, you could use a piece of lined paper and write some of the letters of the alphabet on each line. Might be a lot to do all 26, so you could choose just some of them, depending on the attention span of your child. And as you listen to the video, you could pause after each new French letter that was introduced and chat with your child about, can you think of a word in our language that has a similar sound? And what would that word be? And you could write it there next to the letter of the alphabet. And simply to help your child make the connection of, oh, this is how French sounds. This letter in French sounds like this word in my language. The second set of activities starts with my favorites. After viewing the video with your child, you would pause and ask her which were her 4 favorites. I say 4, could be 3, could be 5, it doesn't really matter, but a small enough number that you could draw a flashcard of each favorite letter and then draw the object that I presented on the video for that letter and gradually practice saying this letter in French and the name of the object in French as well. The pedagogical intention here is simply to help the child develop an affinity with the new language and to encourage a positive reaction to new sounds. And it's okay to laugh and have fun. Some sounds are really funny in French. To dig a little deeper here, you could watch the video again and pause after each letter, or as many as you can, to trace the name of the object I associated with the letter in the video. Once your flashcards are completed, your child could present them to a teacher, a parent, or a friend, and be the teacher themselves. Train the teacher or friend to repeat the name of the object that she just learned how to say. The last set of activity starts with the sound attack. For this activity, the child will use the flashcards she just created and will flip them as she watches the video to simply practice saying the name of the objects and to pronounce the sound of the letter in French as she's watching the video as many times as she wants. The pedagogical intention for this activity is to guide the child as she's exploring what it feels like to be speaking another language and to get acquainted with perhaps how to spell the words in this new language. But mostly it's about having fun, feeling like you're an actor or an actress, taking on a new personality, and just have fun. Again, encourage your child to be the teacher. Show her that she's able to do this, that she's already very knowledgeable, and encourage her to show people around her how to do what she's just learned how to do. This will help build her self-confidence, which is so important when you learn another language. Thank you so much. That's it for today. Please come check the blog again to find some more activities that accompany my videos. Merci!